my name is Angela, and this week my kids are going back to school, and today I want to share with you a really easy and delicious breakfast option for your whole family. This video is sponsored by Quaker Oats Company and Walmart. Today we'll be making banana bread oatmeal using Quaker Oats Old Fashioned Oats. So while you're here, make sure you subscribe to Walmart's YouTube channel below, and you can find the full recipe on Quaker's website. As you guys know, things get so busy and hectic around this time, and I love using the Walmart app. They deliver right to your door in less than 2 hours. It's awesome. I've been using it all summer, and I know I'm going to be using it throughout the entire back to school season. Pro tip for busy moms, this recipe is a great way to get rid of those old ripe bananas that your kids might not like. And we're going to get started, but first, let me go get my helper. All right. Are you ready for school? Yeah. High five. Yeah. Got it? Say hi.
Hi, camera. Ooh, I look cool. Hi, I'm your chef to cook.
Alright, my son Declan is gonna help me in the kitchen. He wants to be a chef one day, and he's a great helper, right?
Yeah.
I love that Quaker Oats Old Fashioned Oatmeal. It's so versatile, and you can make so many different recipes, and there are so many nutritious ways to make it as well. Now I'm gonna peel the ripe banana, and he's going to help me
I'm gonna mash it.
Yeah.
We need a cup of banana.
Yeah, 1 cup of banana. Alright. Put it in. Okay. Put that in. Alright.
Now
and then
stir it.
like this.
Yeah. And
Mix. In a medium saucepan, I'm going to combine milk, sugar, salt, and spices and bring that to a gentle boil. Once that's boiling, I'll stir in my Quaker Old Fashioned Oats. So with 4 kids in the house, our mornings can get pretty hectic, but I do try my best to put hot breakfast options on the table for them. But it's not about perfection, it's about intention. So if you can't do it every time, don't worry about it. But I do try to make it a priority, and Quaker Oats is one of my favorite options. Okay, it looks done, and now I'm gonna remove it from heat and add in the ripe bananas. Not the hot part, but you can help me after, okay? So the best part of this is letting your child decorate with his or her favorite fruits. We have strawberries, blueberries, banana. We also added peanut butter and vanilla yogurt, but this is totally optional, and this really depends on your family's dietary needs. Was that good? Are you done? Okay, it's time to go to school. Let's go. Well, I hope you guys enjoy following along our family's morning routine. Thanks to Quaker and Walmart, I have one less thing to worry about on school mornings. Follow along my family adventure on Mommy Diary on Instagram and YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to Walmart's YouTube channel down below. So I'd love to know what your best hack for busy mornings are, so tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.